Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on PayPal. So let's get started. First of all, open the browser on your Android phone and go to paypal.com. If you are not logged in, use your email and password to log into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the sidebar, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu, and from there you need to tap on the settings. After that, you will be directed to a page with all your account details. Now, find the change name option and tap on it to begin the name update process. Once you change your name, tap on continue. Next, PayPal will ask you to provide a copy of your government issued photo ID such as your passport or driver's license. Upload a clear image of the ID and then submit your request. Once you submit your request and documents, PayPal will review everything. This usually takes a few days, so don't worry if you don't see the changes right away. You will get a confirmation email once your name has been updated, and from there, your PayPal account will reflect the change. And that's it. Now you know how to change name on PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.